Who is William Branham, and why is he so important in these end times? William Branham was a 20th century prophet, an end-time prophet which was prophesied in many scriptures. That includes Malachi chapter 4, verse 5 and 6, Matthew chapter 17, verse 11. Now listen to this clip as he declares his purpose and objective. From the message, The Stature of a Perfect Man, tape number 621014M, paragraph 172.
I'm not here this morning to build an organization. Christ never sent me to build an organization. Christ sent me to build individuals to the statue of Jesus Christ, that they might be the powerhouse. By His Word. By His Word. Build up the individual to that place. Not build an organization to a greater denomination, but build the individuals to sons and daughters of God.
Did you get it? The target is individuals. Whether you are Catholic, Methodist, Lutheran, Pentecostal, or even end-time message believer. Remember, he that receives a prophet in the name of the prophet receives a prophet's reward. Believe his prophets and you shall prosper. God bless you.